Welcome to your app's backend. When you log in, you'll be in the My App tab. On the right-hand side, you'll see all your features listed from top to bottom. First, we'll start with how to edit URL links. These are the light green icons. Click the three dots to expand the options, then select Settings. Here, you can edit the custom URL. No need to enter a meta title or description, just click Save when you're done. For the contact tabs, look for the dark green mail icons. Click the three dots to expand options, then select Edit the content. Here, you can edit any contact information. To delete, click the red trash can. You can also add different types of contact info, including social media links. Click Save when you're done. Next, to edit the Information tab, find the dark info icons. Click the three dots to expand options, then select Edit the content. This is a basic editor where you can bold, underline text, and do more. You can also add elements like text, photos, videos, quotes, or embed a video. Click Save when you're done. For alerts, reminders, and points of interest, head over to the Content section on the left-hand side. Click to expand options, then select Add and choose an article. Important: check only alerts or reminders for the content where you want it to appear. Next, start by adding your title. Then, using the same basic editor, write your content. You can also add a thumbnail to your alerts and reminders by clicking Add an element and choosing Photos. You also have the option to add text, videos, quotes, or embed a video. Again, you can bold or underline text, add external links, or even direct users to a specific section in the app. You don't have to worry about filling in a summary or toggling off comments, they won't show in the app. If you want, you can add a PDF attachment. Lastly, click Publish to make your content live, or schedule it to go live at a future date. Then, an automated push notification will be sent shortly. For points of interest, go to Content, click Add, and select a location. Here, you can fill in the necessary information for the location. It's the same basic editor where you can edit and style text or add different content types. You can also use the AI assistant to help generate text, edit grammar, and much more. On the right side, you can add a phone number, email, or a link. No need to worry about the SEO tab, just click Publish when you're done. The Dashboard tab gives you a quick snapshot of your app analytics. The Statistics tab provides more in-depth analytics and usage data. The Publish tab is managed by your app developer only. When you've finished all your editing, click the Update Now button in the top right to make your changes live. Thanks for watching. Now you're all set to manage your app backend like a pro. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.